Okay, let's get into this SilkOut transformation. What you see here is extreme protein deficit. Extreme. Lots of shedding, lots of knotting, but SilkOut restorative cocktail to the rescue. So I've mixed up her combination. I've shampooed her hair, and as you can see, just showing you guys where it's still shedding like uncontrollably. We get the cocktail on her hair, process it, rinse it out, and here is the after. No shedding, retaining some moisture. Look at there, look at that moisture in there. So this, we're on the road to recovery. Is her hair perfect today? No, but it is at least 80% better. Look how much moisture compared to before. And so now we do her silk press. As I'm doing her silk press, I'm noticing a lot of short hairs in the base and the root area. And so, does she need a big chop? No, everybody's not prepared for that. But we are going to trim off about 2 inches of what hasn't broken on the ends. And then we've already discussed this is a journey for her. She's committed to the weekly or bi-weekly process. And we're going to grow, trim, grow, trim, grow, trim. And we're going to document. She's going to have a beautiful head of hair in the next 6 months to a year. So it already looks better. So this is just the beginning to her journey to healthier hair with SilkOut System.